Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going over the Parent Square app, a communication tool that helps school and parents stay connected. Whether you're a parent, teacher or student, this app makes school communication easier and more organized. Let's dive in. Parent Square is a school home communication platform used by many schools and districts in the US. It allows teachers, school staff and parents to easily communicate all in one secure private app. Now to get started, first you need to download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, then search Parent Square on top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, and then you have the install option right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you've opened up, sign up using the email or phone number your school has on file. Then follow the prompts to connect to your child's school. You'll see your child's classes, teachers and schools update instantly. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss anything important. Now let's go over the main features of the Parent Square app and how to use them. Announcements and alerts. Receive school-wide announcements, emergency alerts and event updates. Tap a post to see full details, attachments or links. Then you can also message teachers, staff or other parents privately, or can also send them direct messages. Start new messages from the messages tab, and then supports auto translation for different languages. View your school's event calendar, RSVP to events, sign up for parent-teacher conferences or volunteer opportunities. You can sign digital forms like permission slips or feedback surveys that you fill in and submit directly in the app. Some schools also allow you to report absence or late arrival in the app. Track your child's attendance record if enabled. Everything is secure, time-stamped and automatically translated if needed. Then go to the settings to change your language, notification frequency or preferred contact method. Turn on daily digest if you prefer one email summary per day instead of individual messages. You can also switch between multiple children or schools from your dashboard. So that is all about Parent Square. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. Bye.